Universal's Animal Actors.
Hi, I'm Lainey Castro, and I'm an animal trainer here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Hi, this is Jamie. He's a guinea pig, and he was featured on the film G-Force. A couple years ago, I started volunteering at a zoo, just cleaning enclosures, and I thought it was the coolest thing being inside a lion's den box that I just knew I had to work with animals. I am lucky to work with a great team of trainers and staff who truly care for, love, and respect all our animal stars. On behalf of everyone here at Universal's Animal Actors, we hope you have a great time and enjoy the show.
And now, please welcome one of Hollywood's top animal trainers from Birds and Animals Unlimited, Miss Lainey Castro.
Wow! Thank you, and welcome to Universal's Animal Actors Show. My name is Lainey, and this is my friend Dusty. We both work for Birds and Animals Unlimited, a company that's been training animals for television and film for over 40 years. What many of you don't know is that some of your favorite animal stars are rescues. And just like Dusty, they got their start right here on this stage in front of a live audience. A little later in the show, we'll reveal to you just what Dusty had to learn to get his big break. All right, we'll see you later. Let's get this party started with a friend of mine from We Bought a Zoo. This is Sparky. Hi, little buddy. Now, Sparky's been trained to fly from one person to another, so I need the help of an adult volunteer, someone not afraid of birds, sitting about. How about you, miss, with the scarf and the jacket? Yeah, the gray jacket. Go ahead and stand up, stay there, and take out a dollar bill. Now, the reason why I asked her to take out a dollar is because Sparky doesn't know her and may feel uncomfortable flying with someone he doesn't know. As you can see in the clip from Evan Almighty, we train our birds to recognize and fly to a common object. It could be anything, but in this case, it happens to be a dollar. You got that dollar? Great. Unfold it so I can see exactly how many times it's been folded. Perfect. Now fold it in half. And fold it in half one more time. Place it between two fingers, arms straight out to the side. Stay nice and still. Sparky's going to see that dollar and know exactly where to fly. Thanks. Enjoy the show. Anyone over here with a $20 bill?
No.
Alright, can you go get this one? I got you. Go ahead and stand up one more time. We're going to make it a little easier on Sparky, so place both arms out to the side. Perfect. Now you flop real hard. Fly down here and get it. Just the one arm out. Palm up like a little landing pad. Sparky, she has been a good sport. He's going to take that and place it right where he found it. And folks, that's Sparky. Nice job, little buddy. And thank you, ma'am, for volunteering. Hey, check it out. That's our stagehand. We not only get to work with cute little birds like Sparky, sometimes we get to challenge ourselves with something larger, like a bird of prey. As seen in Universal's film Ladyhawk, Matthew Broderick catches the hawk with both precision and grace in a spectacular feat of flight. Let's recreate a little bit of that movie magic now. If you focus your attention to that small closed box at the top of the arena, we're going to fly down a bird you might recognize from 310 to Yuma. This is Arrow. Ooh, excellent play from Arrow. Nice catch, Ariel. That was awesome. Oh, before you go, I just thought of something that would be awesome. Lady with the dollar, stand up for me one time. We're going to try it with Arrow. It makes a great photo op. No? Chicken. Thanks, Ariel. Thanks, Arrow. Arrow is a captive-bred African auger buzzard, part of the raptor family, a group of birds consisting of hawks, eagles, falcons, vultures, kites, and owls. We'd like to introduce you to some cousins of Arrow in a rare close-up appearance. Kim has Olympus, a Eurasian eagle owl. You might recognize Olympus from all the Harry Potter films. And Sam has Lila, an African auger buzzard you might recognize from the TV series Bones. Now, raptors raptors are known for their amazing ability to spot food from a great distance. Now, though these raptors are not currently endangered, many native species are. So we here at Universal, we ask you to do your part to help both animals in the wild and in captivity so that these majestic birds never become